What's good, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus back with another video, and Happy New Year's. I'm glad to see you guys another year. It's a blessing. As you can see in the title, what we're going to be talking about today, why, in my opinion, why most traders fail when they first start into Forex. There's a saying that about 90% of the people that come into the Forex game, they fail. They're not successful in the trading business. And the reason is, in what I said, my opinion, why most people are successful in trading Forex is because they don't have a solid game plan.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
So when I say they don't have a solid game plan, it's that there's no strategy behind what they're doing. They're just trading without no rules. They're trading just to make money. There's no set guidelines for them to win. What criteria is needed for them to move on or execute a trade or to take profit. So when I say let me use me as an example, because when I started trading, when I was first green, I just put a trade in just to see if it make money or not. That's not how trading works. You have to first figure out if you are a swing trader, a scalping trader, or intraday trader. There's different types of trading, so you have to figure out what is best for your personality, because most market types are not for people's personality. And some people aren't patient, some people are greedy, some people like fast money in and out of the market. So it depends on the person that you are, and you need to figure out that for yourself when you're first starting off the trade. What's going to help you, build your trading skills is being disciplined and knowing when to enter and exit a trade. So first thing you want to do is have a set of figure out what type of trader you are. All right. The second thing you want to do, you want to go about and seeing what style is for you. And what I mean by that, like, are you a naked pattern trader, or are you a Ichimoku cloud trader as myself? What style of trading or strategy is best for you? That's the best way to say it. What strategy works for you? So me as an Ichimoku trader, I like to find the trends. I like to find the beginning, or I like to find or catch the last bit of the trend. So me, I always look for long-term trades. I'm a swing trader. I do scalp, but I am dominantly a swing trader. And with Ichimoku as my style and my strategy, I use it to find long-term trades on the bigger time frames. So me also, another thing that I would suggest that you guys, put into your repertoire of being a trader, as far as planning, you need to have a trading journal. You have to write down your trades that you take. Have a backup plan for if the trade goes against you, or starts to go the opposite direction. So, are you setting weekly goals? Are you setting daily goals or monthly goals? People don't write or take out the time to figure out what their goals are in Forex. They just want to make money. You have to write down plans, have a journal, write down why you lost the trade, figure out why you lost the trade, go back and study your notes. Okay, if your plan stuck with, if you had a 4-piece plan, and to even enter a trade, you have 4 things that need to be met. All right, A, B, C, and D need to be hit before you have confirmation to even enter that trade, because that's your go-to strategy. So, say if your go-to strategy failed in this situation, just know you were disciplined enough to be to stick with your rules and not deviate from your rules. If you had just came up with a strategy, just you try it out one day and then you jump up to the next and you jump to another one and then another one, you're not really honing in on your skills. You're just trying different stuff. You're not building the trading style to your personality, and you need to discover that in the beginning stages of being a trader. So I also want to point out that what are your pip target? Like, are you hitting a certain amount of pips a week? Are you hitting a certain amount of pips a day? Are you hitting a certain amount of pips for the entire month? What is your strategy in that? Are you planning on taking 1 or 2 trades for the month? How you guys fit this around your 9 to 5 if you have a 9 to 5? What are you going? What sessions are you gonna trade? Are you gonna trade the Tokyo session? Are you gonna trade the London session? Are you gonna trade the New York session? You need to discover what are you going to do with your strategy, and not just your strategy, but maintain that strategy to where you could take that into different sessions as well. What else do people struggle on that I see when they start Forex? They don't have, obviously, they don't have the beginning patience. And, learning this in this game, you have to have patience. It's all about timing and execution. It's really the transfer of the patience, the impatience money to the patience people. Because if you, enter a trade too early, it could mess you up. So, are you entering trades early? What rules are you writing to stop you from entering a trade early? You need to break it down to where the market is it's simple for you to understand, because everybody has a different bias in the market. That's why there's 2 sides. There's you either a buyer or a seller. There's nothing in between, or you just are out completely. But when you make a trade, you gotta figure out, why am I buying? What is it? What is the market telling me? Why am I entering this buy? Or what is the market telling me that I need to enter this sell? You need to have rules written out for yourself on criteria is needed to even accept the trade. Like I said, we could go on all about this topic all day, but really at the end of the day, the biggest reason why people fail in Forex is because there's no trading plan. There's no order in their trading. It's just chaos. It's just random. Randomness is chaos. Things that are built from A to Z, that's structured. That's what's going to make the difference between having a successful trading career and not having a successful trading career. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm glad that we're ready for the New Year's. Let the New Year's be great, and stay tuned for more. Check out my Instagram. Check out my Facebook page. The link is in the description. Like and subscribe, and share this video. And Happy New Year's again, and let's have a good trading year. Peace.
Ice style, no stylish, no Chanel, Saint Laurent, Gucci bag, huh?